Hello, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and hat trick break number 127. A double box break of 11, 12, and 12, 13 crown. Hoping for some nice silhouettes tonight. First things first, here's our list of winners. We got Wingnut, Paul, Aaron, Downtown, Socrates, Todd, Codfishy, Jack, um, who else we got in here? Puck Dynasty. First time in my breaks. Welcome. And Chuck at the end with the Jets. And the hat trick game use slot went to Aaron, who took home a boatload of uh, cards from that pot last week, courtesy of Todd, who graciously donated them to her. All right, so the 5+ people, if you had 5 teams or more, you get one free team in Hat Trick Customer Appreciation Box Break number 20. So there's 3 people that get those. That's Paul, Wingnut, and Aaron. You each will get one team in that break. It's about 3/4 full, so get in there. I'll send out an email when it fills up. All right, next up is the Viewer's Choice bonus. So you guys are going to name 2 players. If either one of these players comes up in this break, I'll bust bonus packs. 2 packs per player that comes up. Take the first 2 I see. Kane and Johan. All right. And stay tuned for trivia at the end. It is the last week of Trivia Wars, which lasts 4 weeks. And I'm going to give away these 3 cards to everybody that gained an entry in that. And also free cards at the end for trivia. As always. All right. So here we go. Let's start with the 11-12. And I will give you a heads up. Next week it's going to be 13-14 titanium. So the auction break will be 13-14 titanium. So any hat tricks will be free teams in that break. Same time, same place next week. I'm out of town for work, but I get back on Wednesday night. So barring no delays, I will be on time for the regular break time. I'll just be a little tired. All right, here we go. Come on. 900 26 825. Here we go. Checklist. 4 packs. Empty box. There we go. What we got here? So we're looking for Kane and Johansson. It's an Opposo. It is a Petrangelo. Ooh. Let's look at the rest of these first. Doug Wilson and a Pavelski, and nice hit. Going to the Habs and Downtown. That is a Royal Lineage Prime. Felushai, Kostitsin, and Plekanec. Nice looking Prime swatches in that one. Good start. Mark that hit for you. So for the new guys, every 3rd hit, you will receive a free team in the next break, called the Hat Trick Bonus. Gave away, I think, 12 or 13 in a double box of Series 1 and Series 2 a couple weeks ago. Tavares, skipper. George Peros, all the Kings man, going to Wingnut. And a ruby red parallel of Matt Cassian going to Paul. Each counts as a hit. One for Wingnut and one for Paul. And that's a Getzlaff. Pack 3. One feels a little thicker. Get it open. Backstrom, Orion Clough. Going to the nice. To the Vancouver Canucks and Wingnut. You got yourself a Trevor Linden. These are nice cards. Ice Kings. Trevor Linden auto. Very nice. Everybody loves Linden. Those sell very well if you're not a fan. And an Ice Kings of Landeskog. Non-auto version, unfortunately. Still a rookie year Ice Kings. And then a Backstrom, and that goes to Jack. No, Todd. Yeah, it's too bad it wasn't the auto version. Or a silhouette. Doesn't look like we got a silhouette in this box. Louis Erickson. Hey, Vanek. Seen this card about 7,000 times. That's a Cam Atkinson going to Columbus. And Sateri, which is a rookie. I'll count that as a hit. And Carey Price. So hit for Puck Dynasty. Hit for, what was the other one? Atkinson and a Blue Jackets. So that's 2 for Paul. 2 for Wingnut. Getting close. Just going to double check are there any other rookies in here. I don't think there was. The rookies aren't marked. Nope, that's it. All right, box 1 in the books. Box 2, 1905 73755. Thickest on the bottom. All right, an Eliash, a Ryan McDonough, a Heirs to the Throne going to Tampa, and Wingnut for his hat trick. Alex Killorn. And a Kane. Oh, that's an Evander Kane. I'll take that for some packs. Just going to mark this. Tampa hit. Hat trick Wingnut. So draw your free team for that quite soon. All right, so a couple bonus packs for the Kaner. These don't count towards hat trick bonus, but they're free cards for whoever hits. Or a base pack. Let me get one in here. Oh, we got a hit, I think. Yep. No, nice one. It is going to Philly. Very nice hit. And JJ Wingnut. You got yourself a Cooter Rookie Year NHL Inc. Hard signed auto. Not bad for a bonus pack hit. All right. Oh, we got one of those pointies in here. Matt Molson. That's an Iggy. These pointies. Todd will very much like this one. Numbered 9 of 25. Pyramid card or whatever they're called. Auto. Pacific's Choice Award. Tyson Berry. Very nice. and a Taves, and an Eberle. Yeah, I don't figure you got that one there. Oh, it's a duplicate? Man, you're on the ball. Still after I gotta get the Henrique. I pulled it for somebody one day, and it's one of those ones I gotta find for my own personal collection. Glenn Cross, Luongo. We have Sovereign Sigs going to the Canucks. And JJ Wingnut, hit number 4, Dan Hamhuis. Oh, I forgot to mark the Killorn. Didn't mark the Barry yet. 2 hits for Todd. Koivu and a Rene. And the thick one. Gotta be a silhouette. Well, it looks something thick anyway. Let's go from the back here. It's a Crawford. It's a Mike Green. Yandel. Nabokov. And going to the Leafs. Non-auto version. Well, it's a Lupul though. You never see any mem cards of Lupul. So that's going to Aaron. All right. Those are the boxes. Just going to double check my count here. I believe it's 1 hat trick to give away. All right, so let's do that. Going to Wingnut. Dropping down number 12. And the Legends bonuses for today on the right-hand side. That is a Marcel Dion autographed puck with COA. The puck goes into this B, and that is 1. The left side, we have Giacomin. Hard to see, my wire won't reach, but it's a stick piece with auto. From Ultimate Man, 6th edition. All right, yeah, I'm drop it down 12, don't I? Here we go. All right, the free team. Mr. Wingnut in titanium is going to be the Caps. And I picked out a bunch of those Wings base for you, man. Picked them out today, so they'll be in your package. Anybody else ever needs base for sets or just want a certain team from a certain set, just let me know. And when your package is going out from your hits in a break, I'll chuck them in there. Just send me an email if you're doing something like that. All right, now the hat trick game used bonus. As I said, the massive pile went last week. So I added a brand new card to the pile. So the new card is this pretty sweet silhouette of Arcabello, numbered at 25, patch silhouette, rookie. So that's up for grabs, and there should be 1 mem card left out of these 2. There's 2 packs left. We'll just take them out. So Erin bought the spot, so she gets first shot. They feel the same thickness to me, who knows? So I'm just going to take the left, and either the mem card's in there, or it's in that one, or they just gave us 1. Plausible. We'll see. All right. So whatever cards are in these, oh, look at that! Nathan McKinnon goes in the pot with the Arcabello. What do I do with it? There it is. Nathan McKinnon Young Gun. It's the orange smudgy version, unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know, with the spot on it, but it's a McKinnon Young Gun nonetheless. That is the first McKinnon Young Gun I have pulled out of probably at least a dozen boxes of Series 1. All right. So the second pack, we'll see who it's going to go to. That goes down via Plinko board. So somebody's going to get themselves a McKinnon Young Gun and an Arcobello patch. $17. Maybe. And if not, it's a new box. So I'm going to, if there's no, I'll tell you right now. Hold on. It's Dallas. Codfishy. So I'll give you guys a heads up. If there is no mem in this pack, I'm going to give these cards away anyway, and that's going to be random between everybody. Okay? So Codfishy gets one chance. If there's a mem here, the cards go to him, and if not, I'm going to random them to everybody and give them to whoever it lands on. Let's see. And there it is, folks. Tarache. It's funny, the two mem cards in this box came back down to the last 4 packs. So one pulled last week and one pulled in the last pack of the whole box. Tarache it is. So that goes into the pile. A couple base. So Codfishy, you're going to get yourself a McKinnon Young Gun, an Arcobello Silhouette, and a Tarache mem card. And I'll start it off again for this next box next week with something pretty decent in there too. Nice card, is at least as good as the Arcobello. All right. So that is your Patrick Game Use bonus for tonight. Next up is the streaking bonus. So for those that don't know, I added a thread on the forum. Added a thread on the forum regarding the streaking, just so you guys can keep an eye on how many you have in your streak. So anybody with 2 or 3 or more, I added on there to just so you know how much it is. It's under the bonus section of the forum, and I just added this week, so it's new. But I'll give you a streaking update. There's a couple people getting very close to those prime teams. So when you hit 10 auction breaks in a row, you get yourself a free team in a box of prime. All right, so here's the update. Aaron is at 8. SMG via get out of jail free card is at 8. Jack 7. TRK, you're at 6 via get out of jail free card. Codfishy's at 5. PJ is at 5 via get out of jail free card. Downtown's at 4. Chuck's at 2. Todd's at 2. And Paul's at 2. So I'll update those on the forum tonight. And next, so I'm gonna move these. Gonna do the get out of jail free card. So it's when you miss a break, you get a chance to continue a streak. Get that free prime team. 20. So for the get out of jail free card, here we go. And they are coming handy because 3 people continued their streak with them tonight. That's the Canes. And the Canes are downtown. Congrats. Get yourself a get out of jail free card. All right. Next up is Legendary Luck. So your Giacomin's on the left side and your Marcel Dion's on the right. So you guys are going to name off the numbers. I'm going to give you 4 chances and then see if we can give away one of these Legends bonuses. All right, and go. 3 it is. 1 minute. The wire is wrapped. Ah. There we go. All tangled up into everything. Dropping down 3 for the first chance of 4. I used to do this via cups, but I like just to give you 4 chances. And it's easy. Oh, very close. Philly. Next. 27. Here we go. Oilers. Next. Let's see, 1. Seriously. Here we go. 1. And that's Caps. Not cooperating. Let's go. 1 more. 2. And that's Caps again. All right, that's the Legends bonus for tonight. Always a chance something might go when we're dropping, but nothing happened tonight. All right, the next bonus is trivia. But before trivia, I always like to give some unadvertised bonuses away. Sometimes it's free boxes, sometimes it's slots in a break, whatever. So what I'm going to do today is give away some slots in the Dominion break I got going on. So it is 1 box of 13-14 Dominion, 1 box of 11-12 Dominion, and it is a draft break. So I'm going to give away a couple slots of that. Alrighty. So I'll do that via the Playco board. Whatever team it lands on gets the slot. Here we go. Free Leaf playoff tickets. Har har. For next season, you mean? 14. So for a slot in a Dominion break, double box, $20 value. That goes to Florida. And Paul. And next, let's do another. Why does it look really dark in here all of a sudden? 19. Weird. Dominion slot number 2 going to the Leafs. And Aaron. All right. Congrats, guys. Now it's time for trivia. And then it's time for Trivia Wars, where I'm going to give away these 3 cards. All right. And one bonus I forgot to mention, this is also unadvertised. If you're a new person in my breaks, I chuck you a couple cards regardless. And the new person today is Puck Dynasty. So welcome to Hat Trick Breaks, and you're going to get a couple game-worn gears. You get a Brian Campbell and a Fowler. So you get a couple extra cards going in your package just to say welcome. All right, so first trivia question. And these trivia questions are the last 4 to gain an entry into the draw for these 3 cards here. And it's a Couturier Stickwork, a Dougie Hamilton Team Canada Auto, and a Thomas Hertl Young Gun. All right, so question 1. Where is Ryan Getzlaf from? Oh yeah, that question is for a Nordstrom Young Gun. Looking for the city. Wingnut. Regina. A couple of you said Sask, but I'm looking for the city. There you go, man. You got yourself an entry into the draw, which I'm going to do right after trivia. All right. And you got yourself a Nordstrom Young Gun. Next up, going back, one of the big cards back in the day from, What year was that? I think 1990. Have a prime time, Deion Sanders. This is probably not worth anything, but nostalgia factor. If you're old like me, you should enjoy it. All right. So your question for the Sanders is: the Ducks were founded by Disney in what year? They were called the Mighty Ducks back then before Brian Burke campaigned to make them less stupid. Todd guessed every year in the 90s, and he was right with 1993. Nice job, Todd. You got lots of entries. Get yourself a Sanders. Jerry Curl and all. Question 3. It's going to be for Colton Orr from Artie, numbered at a 125, double jersey card. Question number 3 is: last night, 2 players hit the 100th playoff point mark. Name the 2 players. Happened in the same game. And I need both for you to win. If you watched the games last night, you'll probably know. Everybody's Googling right now. Close, Puck Dynasty, but not quite. I'll tell you, you're half right. Downtown gets it. Thornton and Marlowe both hit 100 career playoff points last night. Nice job, Downtown. And I always do name that player at the end where I show you a photo and you guys have to name that player. So the name that player this week's going to be for Limited Travels of Halak. Habs and Blues, numbered at a 199. All right, ready? There we go. I even used a hockey card and just blanked out his name. Name that player. It is not Broughton or Cicerelli. He has been a NHL head coach with 3 teams. NHL head coach with 3 teams in his career. Played until 1989 with the Minnesota North Stars. Team captain for 7 of 10 seasons of the Minnesota North Stars. Don't see it yet. He is now an associate coach of the Blue Jackets after being fired from the Senators. It is not Bellows. Wow, I didn't think this one would be so tough. Hertzberg. Here we go. Craig Hertzberg. Nice job, Wingnut. You got yourself the Halak and an entry into the draw, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, so just bear with me for a second. I'm going to chuck all the entries into random.org. Just about done. All right. Here is random.org. Todd has a lot. So we have Todd, downtown, Todd, downtown, Todd, Codfishy, TRK, Wingnut, Todd, downtown, Wingnut. All right. So the first time I'm going to do this, I'm going to randomize this 3 times. And the winner of that, the top of the list, is going to get this Stickwork Couturier, numbered at a 19. So I'm going to do that first, and then once you win one thing, you cannot win a second. Okay, just to give spread it around a bit. So let's do the Couturier here. No, it's not a draft. That's one. That's due. And number 3, Todd. Oh crap! I didn't even show it. Oh, there it is anyway. And you can see it's been randomized 3 times. That was my bad. Sorry about that. Anyway, you can trust me. It's for a free card. All right. So, number 2. Yeah, I'm not going to do this in advance and post it. Come on. All right. Do that again. Oh, I'm going to grab these. You know what? I'm just going to do it the same list 3 more times, and that'll be the Hamilton. And if you guys want to trade whoever likes what, that's fine. I was going to do a draft, but I didn't figure everybody would be online, and it's just easier to do it this way for this time. So this one is for the Hamilton. Yeah, exactly. So on random number 6, that's going to be the Hamilton winner. Unless it's Todd, and I'll do another random. So we got downtown, Todd, and number 6, that's Bill. So Bill, you're going to get the Dougie Hamilton Team Canada auto. Todd will get the Couturier. And now for the hurdle. Young Gun, I'm going to go to 9. 7, 8, and 9. That's Bill. So he already has one, so one more. Codfishy is the winner. Congrats, Codfishy. Good night for you. Got yourself a McKinnon and a Arcabello. And you got yourself a Hurdle Young Gun. Pretty sweet. All right, guys. That is the break. Next week, I will put in brand new Trivia Wars cards that will go over 4 weeks, and I'll give them away at the end of the 4 weeks for trivia questions. I will also put in a brand new Hat Trick Game Used bonus for the brand new box I'm about to crack next week. All right. And for those guys that won the Dominion slots, that's Paul and Aaron. If you want to just grab slots for that are live right now, whatever numbers you want, I'll mark them paid for you. You don't have to pay. Okay. Thanks, folks, and see you next week.